Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a colossal squid. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our colossal squid, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a circle for one of the eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and make another circle inside there and I'm going to color in some of this, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go around here for part of the eye. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go down and then up. Then I'm going to curve a line down for the other side. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some lines. They're just going to kind of go up and down, and then they're going to come back here. Let's do another one here. Let's do another one, kind of does that same thing, up and down. We'll do another one, kind of go in the opposite direction here. Let's make one that kind of comes out and then comes back up. And then let's kind of draw a little line to connect these. Next, let's make a little bit smaller of one back here. We can make another one that kind of jumps around here. And then we can kind of put one more out to here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that kind of runs down here just to show that maybe this is going to be like the bottom of the tentacle. I'll do one here that just kind of shows the underside of that one. Then I'll do one here, and I'll do that same thing over here. Next, I'm going to make a really long tentacle out here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down like this, and then it's going to come back here. Then I'm just going to bring this line, made it a little skinny there, but I'm going to bring this line all the way back here. Then I'll start the next one over here. We're going to make it nice and long. We'll make another one of those kind of like leaf shapes, and then we're just going to bring it right back up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come up and in, up and in. Then I'm going to make this kind of curve out, and then up to here. Same thing, kind of curve this out, and then up. Make it go nice and skinny up here. Then for kind of that like fan part on top of the head, I'm going to make this line come out to here. I'm going to do the same thing, kind of come out and then in. I'm going to make these lines kind of come up towards the top. Next, I'm going to make a little bit of a broken line here and then one here. And I'm going to put a couple little broken lines there. Then I'm going to add a little line here and a couple little extra lines on the tentacles to give them a little bit of detail. Maybe a line across here. I'm also going to do a little line here and one right there. And there you go, there is your drawing of a colossal squid. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.